Okay, go. Is that funny, Jess? What's so funny about that? Do it again, Pear. Oh, that's good stuff. There she goes again, Tessie. Oh, what a crack up. Is that Perry funny? Is your sweet sister funny? Okay, go do it again, Perry.
Okay.
Okay, keep doing it because she thinks it's funny.
That was 1 foot.
That was 1 foot?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You going to go do another trick? Okay, this time. Remember, Daddy's working. Does that... Does that just look like a good time? What brought that on? Bye-bye.